In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add quick filters for your audit logs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to find your audit logs in HubSpot and how to use the built-in filters to narrow down your data quickly and efficiently. Let's start from the very beginning. First, log into your HubSpot account using your usual credentials. Once you're signed in and you're looking at your main HubSpot dashboard, shift your attention to the top navigation bar. Up there, you'll see several icons and options. What you're looking for is the small gear icon, which represents your settings. Click on the gear icon to open the settings area. This is where you can control a wide range of account level options, so it might look a little busy at first. To keep things simple, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. There, you'll see a vertical menu with different sections grouped by category. In that left panel, look for the section called Account Management. Under Account Management, you'll find an option labeled Audit Logs. Go ahead and click on Audit Logs. This will open the page where all of your account's audit activity is recorded, such as changes made to settings, users, and other key configurations. Once you're on the Audit Logs page, scroll your eyes toward the top of the main content area, just above the table that lists all the log entries. This is where the quick filters live. These filters are designed to help you find exactly what you're looking for without having to scroll through a long list of events. You'll see several drop-down fields, typically labeled category, subcategory, action, modified by, assisted by, and date. Each of these lets you narrow down the logs in a different way. For example, category and subcategory help you focus on a specific type of activity, like user management or integrations. Action lets you filter by what actually happened, such as something being created, updated, or deleted. Modified by and assisted by are useful when you want to see changes made by specific users, and the date filter helps you limit results to a particular time range. To use any of these quick filters, simply click on the drop-down next to the label, then choose the option that best matches what you're trying to find. As soon as you select your filter, the audit log table will automatically refresh. You don't need to click a separate apply button. The list will update to show only the entries that match your chosen criteria. You can adjust these filters as often as you need. Change the category, pick a different user, or update the date range to refine your results even further. And that's it. That's all you need to do to add and use quick filters for your audit logs in HubSpot.